The dream is the name in lights. The dream is the stage. The dream is the people that you're sharing with, you and 2,000 of your closest friends every night, That's the dream. And after working as a plumber for a decade, I'm singing on the opera stage. I've made my dream come true. I've been a plumber for coming up to about 10 years now. I am a fully bona fide Red Seal plumber gas fitter. In the fall of 2016, when I was getting laid off, my wife and I had a conversation, and she kind of looked at me, and instead of saying, "Oh my God, what's the next job going to be?" she said, "Oh my God, this is your time. So get out there and do it." I have been singing probably since I was about 3. Stage kind of feels like home. My first performance in Germany, gorgeous little concert hall. I just remember just opening up and singing, and I finished, and it was like there was this like beat of like nothing, and then all of a sudden the whole place just like wow. It was so cool. It was so awesome. That's what I did, and it has been scary, it has been terrifying, and it has been an absolute utter blast ever since.